Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending a double layer video editing using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on video and then select new, and I'm just going to pick a random video or footage from my gallery, for example this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add second video as an overlay. So we need to go to the PIP, and then I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to make it shorter a little bit. Oh my god. All right, and then we can arrange the video. I'm going to make it bigger like this. Okay, we can arrange it guys like this guys. Wait, I'm still not satisfied. Okay, and then I'm going to apply mask. We can go to the mask and then select the, what is this, mirror. Okay, I'm just going to adjust the feather like this. Okay, and then I'm going to apply my mask to the main layer as well. Apply mirror. Alright, good. Okay guys, but I think I still need to adjust it again. Oops, sorry, I'm going to undo, and I'm going to go back to the mask. I'm going to adjust it like again. Alright, okay guys, and this is the final result guys. The trending double layer video editing has been created, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. But guys, sorry, I edited same video. It's supposed to be different video, but I'm sorry. Okay, and that's all the way to create trending double layer video editing using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.